Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the player details in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Previously, this game name is EA Sport FIFA Mobile 24, or without 24, just FIFA Mobile. But in this new season is become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this video is for beginner or for the new player into this game. So I want to show you how you can see your current ability, your current player's ability, and how you can see their best position and also their traits. So let's get started by tapping the club, and you can tap the players. So this is all of your players that you have. So in this account, I made this second account for new player to see, and this is my base player. You can sort your player by position, log in lineup, and based on OVR. So this is my player. This is my top player. Tap it and tap the details. So this is the details of your player. There's a name in here, Adam Flint, with height also and weight, and also his age, preferred food, his club, his league, and many more. You can also see his trait here. Tap it by he is a long passer, solid player, double backflip. His skills also in here. And this is the defending level. You can tap it one by one to see your player ability. So thank you for watching. I hope you can get best player from this game. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.